Hi, I'm Ken Bates, CEO of Bates Medical Systems. For the last 30 years, I've run a multi-million-dollar contract engineering firm focused on the development of medical ultrasound products. After watching my life partner go through the trauma of breast cancer, I've devoted my efforts to finding a better way to detect breast cancer, specifically to develop a technology that is safe, precise, and comfortable. Bates Systems is the culmination of that effort. X-ray mammography is well understood technology, but leaves much to be desired. It is uncomfortable, struggles to find cancer in women with dense breasts, and can cause the very disease it is meant to find. Unfortunately, replacing X-ray mammography is a decade-long process that depends as much on medical acceptance as it does on technology. In most of the world, the first step in finding breast cancer is a screening mammogram. Mammograms, though the standard of care, are not as useful as one would hope, especially in women with dense breasts. This is why it is often combined with other technologies such as ultrasound. In about 1/3 of mammograms, the radiologist has some concern, which leads to a follow-up exam with ultrasound. This greatly increases the ability to detect cancer, but also leads to false positives, which in turn leads to additional unneeded procedures. Bates Medical Solution is a platform that can incorporate multiple imaging technologies that are comfortable, safe, and effective. As you can see from this graph, our product path is not only designed for higher performance, but lower lifecycle costs. Note the progression to therapeutics. Ultrasound energy that is thousands of times greater than imaging can ablate tissue. This allows for bloodless surgery. This may sound futuristic, but high-intensity ultrasound is already being used in the treatment of prostate cancer. The first imaging technology to be incorporated into our platform will be automated breast ultrasound, or ABUS. ABUS is currently the most advanced technology for ultrasound breast imaging. It makes good sense to start with this technology as ABUS market is large and rapidly growing. Traditional breast ultrasound systems, such as those sold by Philips, are virtually identical to the systems used in cardiology and general radiology. These systems increase the number of detected cancers, but they are operator dependent. This leads to inconsistent results that can cause expensive and time-wasteful patient recalls. In the last few years, a new technology, ABUS, has come on the market by companies such as General Electric and Siemens. It solves the consistency problem by using a mechanized gantry to automatically move the probe across the breast, but it costs twice as much as that of traditional breast systems, does not significantly improve cancer detection, and causes some patient discomfort. Bates Medical's patent-pending ABUS technology solves all the aforementioned ABUS problems and does so with superior image quality, lower cost, and great patient comfort. In addition to these great features, it improves patient throughput with a disposable that saves time for the hospitals and clinics. Our key contribution to ABUS is a patent-pending transducer design and associated signal processing that leads to constant resolution throughout the breast, something no other ultrasound product offers, ABUS or otherwise. Such consistency results in cancers being in clear focus, no matter where they are located in the breast. A further unique feature of our ABUS system is the ability to image the axilla. This is the region under the arm where important lymph nodes are located. We believe it crucial to pass certain milestones before raising over $2 million needed to move the technology into human testing. The key milestone we have already performed is the demonstration of high image resolution in a commercial acoustic phantom. As can be seen in this prototype image, the detail is clearly superior to that seen in the MRI of the same phantom at the same location. Success of any company is determined by its team. For myself, I've led the development of multi-million-dollar medical acoustic devices and have been directly responsible for a number of innovative ultrasound technologies. Larry Pendergrass has a great deal of operational experience in high tech, having over 15 years of executive experience at Tektronix, Keysight, and Keithley Instruments. Once product development is complete, we will hire a very experienced women's health CEO to carry the company from sales through profitability. Our range of our advisors range from CEOs to VPs, like regulatory and medical experts, university professors, and of course, experts in medical ultrasound. Today, we are looking for highly experienced radiologists willing to provide insights into clinical needs. Our objective is to help radiologists better diagnose breast cancer in a way that is convenient and cost-effective. Thank you for your attention.